Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to add friend in Honor of Kings. To add a new friend in Honor of Kings, launch open the Honor of Kings app on your mobile device. From the main lobby screen, go ahead and look for the friends icon which is located on the right hand side of the screen. Simply tap the exclamatory icon under the Friends tab and you will then be able to open up the Friends tab right away. Now, in order to add a new friend, tap on the plus icon with two humans in it at the bottom right corner, and then in the text box that appears on the screen, write down your friend's user ID or their name. After typing down the name or the user ID of your friend, in the search result, go ahead and tap on the plus button with two humans in it right next to the username or the profile picture of the person. You can also enter a greeting message and then tap on send in order to send the friend request to the person. Your friend must accept your request before you both appear on each other's friend list. After you add friends, you can team up and play ranked or casual matches, chat using voice or text in-game, send gift or help each other with events, and see their recent match stats or achievements. So that's how you will be able to add friends in Honor of Kings. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.